Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. This is a Papa's Quick Hits video, and this is going to be a really quick one. Do you know what a shim is? Okay? We all know what a shim is. Here's a shim right here. Okay? You see how it tapers down really kind of thin, and it gets a little bit thicker as you go back, all right? And, you use it for sometimes making a table stop wobbling, okay? Did you ever wish when you have a situation where your stance on your build just isn't right? You have one little spot that's just not touching, and you wish you had a shim. Well, I'm going to show you something. This is a round, tapered toothpick, okay? And it goes down to a fine point, and then it tapers up and gets a little bit thicker. And you can use it as a shim. Don't believe me? I'm going to show you. This was sitting on all four, well, I don't have the wheels on here yet, but hubs, I guess. And one of the things that I did here was before I actually put the wheels on and put the rest of, everything that was supposed to go on here, I wanted to test and see if my stance was indeed true. And what I found was I had a tiny little wobble, all right? So rather than taking everything apart, I took my shim, okay? I detached the bottom down here, okay? I took my X-Acto knife, which I don't know where it is right now. Here we go, X-Acto knife. I should have been better prepared, but I'm a dunderhead. I came in here, and we discussed this in another Papa's Quick Hits video. I put my X-Acto knife in here, and I twisted, and I broke the glue bond right back here, okay? And I did the same thing right there. There's my shim, all right? And I pushed the shim in, and now there's no wobble, okay? This is sitting perfectly straight, okay? So this looks a little bit ridiculous. If you're going to put your build on the table and you put it down and you have a toothpick sticking out of the back, yeah, it's going to look a little ridiculous. So I've got it in there. I attached it with super glue a few minutes ago, so it should be dry. And now I'm going to come in with my clippers, all right? And I'm going to clip that off, all right? That's what I have left, okay? What I will do now is I will take a little bit of flat black, okay? And I will take a disposable brush, one of these that I got at Hobby Lobby. This is a disposable brush, okay? And I will quickly go into, I'm trying to do this so I can do this and see it. I'm standing behind the camera and it's awkward as heck. So bear with me, okay? And I'll flip this over, all right? And I will paint that flat black, okay? And after I get that flat black in there, I can't seem to get the paint on the tips of these bristles. But I will. Okay. Now you can't see it. All right. Little piece over here that I didn't get to yet. All right. But once you put that flat black in there, you're never going to see it. Little piece still right there that I missed, okay? And if you have a problem getting that brush in there, you can always come in with an acrylic marker, okay? One with a really fine pointy point like that, okay? Well, this isn't pointy anymore. Actually, the grandchildren got it this. But normally, this has a nice sharp point to it like this one does. Okay, and you can get that little point right into a tiny little spot where, in fact, I can't even see it anymore. If you can't get that one little tiny spot covered with the paint, you can go in there with an acrylic marker and just touch it with the point, and that will do it. Okay, and now you really can't even see that toothpick. It just blends in because I colored it black. All right, and now I am perfectly straight. I've got a perfect stance on here. Okay, so that's just one little trick where you can cheat and adjust your stance just a tiny little bit. Okay, a black marker or a little bit of black acrylic paint, a toothpick, okay, and enough chutzpah to go in there with your X-Acto knife and break the bond and then insert this. Okay, so that's my quick tip or quick hit for today. And I just showed you how this doesn't show up, and we've been looking at this. Guess what? There's one over here too. You never even knew it, did you? All right, so that's Papa's quick hit for today. Try it, see if it works for you, and if it doesn't, you can tell me what a terrible person I am in the comments. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.